Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, it's the beginning of February. In fact, it's February 2nd and it's Ray's birthday. He's a groundhog. He has gone shopping because he got a few gift cards and some money for his birthday. So he's off shopping at not the fabric store, that's me, at the sporting goods store. So I thought I'd jump on here really quick and show you my January project. And it's funny, I just watched Shelly Robson from the Quilted Forest pull the project for February, and it was number 7. And I'm like, number 7 is the one I did last month. So, of course, I can't get anything quite right. I did number 7 last month, and then she drew number 7 for this month. So the project last month was number 4. I'm doing number 4 this month. So I got a little goofed up. But anyway, I got the whole quilt top done on my project number January. Should have been number 4. I did number 7. But this is my pinwheels quilt. And I did it all from my stash. It turned out so fun. It was so easy. I loved it. I don't know if you can see it very good. Can you see it? But it's got these pinwheels in it. And I will have a excuse me, a full tutorial on how I made this. But this is my January project. And it was so fun. I did it a little bit different. It's a free pattern from Jordan Fabrics. And she did 2.5-inch strips and I did 3-inch strips. So I just made mine a hair bigger and made 3-inch squares for the pinwheels. So there's my project. The top is done. So fun. I enjoyed it, and I thought it turned out really fun. So, holy smokes, can't get a grip on this. So that is my January project, and I'm considering it complete if the top is done. That's pretty darn good for me. So the project that I am doing, everybody else is doing project 7 for February. Well, since I did a flip and a flop, I'm doing project 4. And it is the sugar cookie pattern, which I was a little, when she pulled that, when I saw which my project was, I'm like, oh, I've had to have this. I think that Donna Jordan did a video on this, and I think it was 8 years old, 9 years old. So that's when I bought the pattern, when I saw her video. So it is called Sugar Cookie by Lella Boutique. And that's the guy. And here are my fabrics. I've got 2 charm packs. Well, this one's, I busted into this one to match some fabrics, but there's these yummy dark jades and some other lights and some of these burgundies, and oh, they're just really yummy. This one I got for the background, behind the flying geese, or behind the triangles, I should say. So that should go nicely with all of these. Some of them you might not be able to see, so, you know, depending on these really light ones, we'll figure it out. I have 2 charm packs just in case. Then I bought these 2 for, it must be these 2. It's been a long time since I bought these fabrics. So for those 2 pieces, and then the big outside squares are going to be this rich green. So there we go. Sugar cookie is on the way. So there you go, guys. January project and February project is gonna start today. I'm super excited. Thank you guys for hanging in with me on this really quick video on February's quilt of the month and what I got done in January. I will have that full tutorial coming up. I just need to do some finishing touches on it and edit it, and it'll be coming out pretty quick. So thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, do all the things, drop a comment. I love to hear from you. It is so much fun hanging out with you guys. I just enjoy it so much. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. Please stay happy, stay healthy, and stay creative. See you soon. Bye-bye.